welcome to Realcomm. What are you looking to get out of it this year?
We've come to Realcomm for over 20 years. It's really been a combination of networking, education, conversations about trends and those kind of things. But I will tell you, the most important thing is it is the most dense place for the innovators and decision makers to gather and share information and also talk about what's next.
The pre-con this year, we were very focused. There's a lot of work on the open standards for data. So I was really excited to be there. We were able to participate in some of those conversations. I think the community's headed in the right direction.
We talk to really smart people who are really well connected, who are trying to solve some thorny problems. We love solving those problems. We've been doing it for 20 years in an advisory mode, helping actually look at the tech in the buildings and actually doing something about it. We like talking to really smart people who are trying to solve the industry's toughest challenges.
Is the fraternity and connectivity that you get with other people, right? It's really looking at what other individuals are doing and really having that conversation of what are you doing here, what am I doing that, and comparing. Vendor experience is great, but it's also about the connections that you've made with people over the years and how we foster those connections going forward.
No better place to get reacquainted with old friends, meet new people, and just hang out with people that you've done business with.
Really excited about new technology and understanding where the industry is going. I think, like I said, this is one of the most tech-forward conferences. You sort of see it here first, right, before it comes into the market.
We like the opportunity to talk to our customers that are here, prospects that are here, learn from other vendors as to what's going on in the industry, and it's always a great opportunity to see what other people are doing as well.
So I've been coming to Realcomm, IBCon for better part of 20 years. Lots of familiar faces, lots of colleagues. I'm not really here to learn anything, it's really to connect. See what the vendors are adding new, what they're thinking about, what they're going to develop. Those are all good reasons to be here.
Honestly, the people. It's always great to meet the community here. It's actually very supportive. I mean, of course, there's competition, but I always love reconnecting and, just meeting new people.
First and foremost, it's great to see all the friends in the industry, catch up with everyone. But I think this year, it's really interesting to see the shift in hardware and software. Obviously, there's been a big shift towards software, but still seeing, the importance of hardware to ensure that softwares can function to their best possible way.
I want to hear some real use cases of using AI in the real estate and how that's used with helping decision makers decide how to make their buildings operate smarter and more autonomously.
Deeper relationships with those who are working with. And yeah, it's just a great time to sit down and have those good conversations.
The big ones for me, probably over the past 2 years, have been related to democratizing data out of these systems. Finally shifting from a place of proprietary, quasi-open ways that a BMS device would hold on to its information. I need to be able to pull that out and put it alongside every other data set that goes into our operation. So I need to be able to tell temperature and humidity and people counting, all those kinds of data points, alongside all the metadata about a building, its lease information, all of the financial implications that go into it, so I can tell a full end-to-end story. And we've really seen a lot more of that last 18 months, where more and more providers are making it easier to join what these other technologies have done over the past few years. Here's a true API. You can go query it all you want and manipulate, put that data next to where you want it. So we have a lot of internal reporting and dashboards so the ability to be able to put this kind of information alongside that, super compelling.